welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. In this video we're going to be looking at a new receiver we have. It's the MG CT612. We brought it onto the range to power our MG WP611 wall plate series. So the idea is this is an ultra slim unit, sits behind the monitor, and over the CAT or UTP cable it will power your transmitter as well as pull the signal down over HDBaseT. Let's have a look at what's in the box. So this is the first time I've seen this. This will be interesting. First of all, as ever, a manual, and these manuals are always available on our tvONE website. There's a lot of effort goes into creating these so they're technically correct. So this is like a 10-page manual, and it's got everything you need to know in here, including the operational controls, specifications, all that good stuff. Inside here it's packed really well, so there's a lot of protection for your investment. Let's pop out the, so it's tight, let's pop out the power supply. So this is the power supply. Let's see what it's in here. So these units normally have adapters to go onto a wall wart or an adapter. So yeah, it has. So it's got the full set in here by the looks of it. So it's got EU, it's got North America, it's got Far East. So these little guys need, you know, this sort of thing, how it works. And the power supply is in here. So this is it's quite cool. It's a screw fit connector. So I'm always a big fan of power connectors when they either screw on or they click in. So this is a power supply you can pop in. And then what we got on this side, so this is a control cable. Must be for being able to control the unit. There's more in the bottom here. Some small brackets, and then the unit itself. So quite interesting having a look. This is the first time I've seen one of these, so this is pretty good. You can see how thin it is. It's so thin, in fact we've had to cut down the information we put on it. So we've got the full unit name here, and then on this side it says IX. Let's get this out of its bag. This is pretty well packaged. I'm not going to get into any troubles here. So yeah, you can see the unit there. It's solid metal, lots of cooling on here. It's a magenta product. That means it's high quality, and you can see the part number on there. You can see there's some lights. So we're going to fire this up in one of our next videos. So here you can see whether you've got a link or whether you've got HTCP. And on the top, you've got RS232, infrared in and out, HDMI out to the screen, and then HDBaseT in as well. Now, if you link this with the wall plate I was talking about, the MG WP611 series, then this will reach out to 230 feet. That's 70 meters at 1080p. And if you go to 4K, it will do 130 feet or 40 meters. There you go. So that's the unboxing of the MG CT612. It's a great new addition to the Magenta HD1 range. Please watch our future videos. I'm going to fire this up and use this with the wall plate. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.